Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating power and assessing basics. First, disconnect the battery and put on gloves and eye protection. Then check related fuses and the A/C relay. Measure 12V at the compressor connector to confirm electrical feed. Next, attach a manifold gauge to read low and high side pressure so you know if the system is charged or low. Once done, you'll have the data to decide if the fault is electrical, mechanical, or refrigerant-related, and move into targeted repair steps. Now you dig into the compressor clutch and wiring. Test coil resistance with a multimeter, and if safe, apply 12V briefly to the clutch to see if it engages. This separates electrical from mechanical failure. Inspect the harness for corrosion, broken wires, and a solid ground, because intermittent voltage often kills operation. Use a scan tool to read compressor-related fault codes and confirm the ECU is commanding the clutch. Once you've pinpointed whether the clutch won't engage or the controller won't command it, prepare for replacement or wiring repair. You finish by performing the corrective action and validating results. Replace a seized clutch or compressor if mechanical, or repair/replace corroded wiring and fuses. Follow OEM torque and installation steps to avoid new leaks. Evacuate the system thoroughly, hold vacuum for 30+ minutes, then recharge to the manufacturer's refrigerant weight and oil spec. Once charged, run the A/C for 10 to 15 minutes while monitoring pressures and cabin temperature. If output is poor, recheck for slow leaks, improper oil charge, or a weak AC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.